Hey guys, welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventures. I'm today's host, Larock, and today what we're gonna make is a double bacon Hawaiian cheeseburger. Okay, so that's a double cheeseburger Hawaiian style. Before we get started, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. I'd like to thank the people who just stumbled across this channel. I'd like to thank the new subscribers. I thank you all very much. Please subscribe, like, and share this content here on this program, Larock's Cooking Adventures. Okay, what you're gonna need to make this burger is 2 6-ounce patties, 2 pineapple rings, 2 slices of American cheese. You can substitute whatever type of cheese you personally like. I have 3 pieces of lettuce here. We'll probably end up using 2. I have 2 slices of tomato here. I have 4 pieces of bacon, which we're only gonna use 2. And I have 2 ounces of peppered ham. Okay, you can use whatever type of ham you like. I just personally enjoy eating this peppered ham. Don't forget, the most important part to this is the bread. Okay, you want to pick a nice bread. This is a brioche bread. I bought out the regular old grocery store, but brioche bread is gonna do it for you. All right. So what we're gonna do first is just simply season our meat and then saute our meat. Okay, we're just gonna take this and season it with some Montreal steak season. It's real simple, you know. Make your hamburger the way you guys like it at home, the way you guys are used to it at home, you know, and then just add these different condiments. Okay. All right, we're gonna flip this and season the other side. And then we're gonna go right into the saute pan with this, okay? If you guys are looking for a recipe on how to make this patty, not this patty, because this patty was actually purchased. I did not grind and make this patty myself, which I usually do. But you can see a previous video to which I'll put a card to, and I do believe in that video I did show you how I seasoned my ground beef for that patty. That was on the ultimate onion ring, bacon cheddar onion ring video. Okay, so we're gonna take this and put it right in the frying pan to my left. All right, so we're just gonna add these into the saute pan. Okay. This is regular hamburger 101, like that. We're gonna cook it for a good 3 or 4 minutes on each side. All right, so we're gonna flip these patties, like that, and like that. Okay, now after about 3 or so minutes on this side, I'm going to show you guys a trick how I finish this off. Okay guys, we have sauteed both sides of these burgers, but what you don't see in the pan is the oil, because I pressed down on the burger and then emptied out the oil off camera. So here's the secret trick. You want to use a good old bottle of water to finish it off, like that. So it keeps your burger soft. So we're just going to boil that out, and then when it's done reducing, all the water's evaporated, this burger is going to be done. We're going to put it together. All right, guys, that water's almost evaporated, so we're just going to add our cheese right on top of these burger patties. Let those melt down for a second. And then we're going to be ready to rock and roll and dress this up. And add a little bit more water just for steam purposes. But these burgers are done. They are ready to rock and roll. And yes, what I've done off camera was I continued to press out the oil from the burger. You guys notice that my pan is super clean. Well, it's super clean because that's what I was doing off camera. All right. Don't want to hold no punches from you guys. Keep it real. Keep it all the way real. All right, so that's that, and we're ready to dress this burger. All right, guys, now that we have everything ready to rock and roll, I do suggest you take that brioche bread and you put it in the pan, not the same pan, or at least clean that pan, and put a little butter in that pan and toast it off so it looks nice and sexy like this. Sexy Larock style, okay? All right, so we're just gonna build this burger from the bottom up. All right, take one of the patties, put it here, like that. Take the second patty, put it right on top. Okay, Let's get rid of this. Okay, then we're gonna go with our 2 pieces of bacon, like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks good. Then we'll fold over our pieces of ham, like that. Like that. Just to add a little volume, like that, and like that. Boom. 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 Next, we'll go with our pineapples, like such. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, I don't have any mayonnaise or any type of sauce on the sandwich simply because I want to taste this. I don't want to taste the mayonnaise. I don't want to taste the ketchup. I don't want to taste the sauce. I want to taste this burger. Okay? So, and we'll go with some tomatoes, like that. We'll hug off a little bit so you guys can see them. And then lechuga, lettuce. Right on top like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Now there you have it. You have the Larocks cheddar. No cheddar. Double bacon. Uh-oh, she's sliding a little bit. She's trying to get away from me. Double bacon Hawaiian burger. Like that. Boom. There you guys have it. We have that ultimate bacon double Hawaiian cheeseburger. Larock's Cooking Adventure style. Okay? Guys, like, subscribe, share this content on Larock's Cooking Adventures. I thank you all for watching. I thank you all for your subscriptions. I thank you all for your comments. Oh, by the way, I just got a letter from an email, rather. Letter, shit, we ain't seen one of those in decades. I just got a email from YouTube letting us know that we have reached the goal of 50,000 views. Holy smokes, guys. I'm just completely flattered about that. So I thank you guys. I humbly thank you guys for supporting this channel and watching our content here on Larock's Cooking Adventures. You guys have a good day. Peace.